Good evening, everyone. This is Kim A. Miles. I'm from Sotheby's International Realty, and I am here at my new listing at 2191 Yonge Street, Unit 1906. Thank you all for coming tonight. I just want you to know that this condo has got the most beautiful light and the most beautiful sunset, so I wanted to do this open house right now so I could show you the sunset. But first, come on in, let me show you around a little bit. So, we are in a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 641 square feet with a beautiful 71 square foot balcony, which we're going to go on shortly. And we have hardwood floors throughout, carpet in the bedroom, and we have ceramic floors in the kitchen. And we are listed at $596,000, and we're at 2191 Yonge Street, Unit 1906, which is the Minto Quantum 2 building. We're right in the heart of Yonge and Eglinton, literally a hop, skip, and a jump from anywhere you want to go. We're close to supermarkets, shopping, there's a Sephora, there's Indigo, there's the LCBO, we have the subway, we have the new LRT coming. I mean, everything. There's so many different restaurants around here, all different types of ethnicities. There's spas, there's nail salons, there's hairdressers, there's schools. So come on in. As I said, we have beautiful hardwood floors. Yeah. And floor-to-ceiling windows. Now, can you see that red ball out there, that beautiful sunset? So there it is. It's a red ball. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the red ball through the, oh wow, why can't, oh there it is. There's that red ball. All right, let's go out on the balcony. I just wanted to see exactly where we're at. Come on out, Amberja. So, if we take a look down, we have Yonge Street below. And then right over there, we have Yonge and Eglinton. You can see there's the Pickle Barrel, we've got the Yonge Eglinton Center, there's Winners, all the cinemas, you pan all the way around. What I love about this condo is that it has unobstructed view. This is the TTC here, so this is never going to get demolished. So we have a beautiful view. You can see the changing colors for the fall, and it's pretty nice. It's very private here. My clients have very nice, they're Muskoka chairs. So it's pretty nice. I mean, there's a lot of buildings going up around here, but this building is really quite nice. Beautiful, beautiful amenities. Come on, let's go inside. You can probably hear me better when I'm inside. There we go. I'll close the door. So the amenities are really great here. I mean, they have everything. Tip-top, 5-star. Luxurious amenities, indoor swimming pool, beautiful gym, they have a Pilates room, they have a weight and cardio room. There are numerous outdoor spaces, which is what I really like. When you enter into this building, it's almost like a little bit of an aqueduct, like it's a circular, like you see in Europe, a circular structure, because there's a sister building, 2181, we're at 2191. And then you've got a beautiful area where you can sit and enjoy, you know. There's people out there right now reading and chatting, and Starbucks is downstairs, so they're having a coffee. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful summer evening, even though it's fall, but it's gorgeous right now. So come on into the bedroom. This is a really, really nice sized bedroom. And what I love about the bedroom is that you've got that gorgeous view again. And you know what? The sun is going behind the building, but we're hoping to get some good colors. It's been a bit hazy today, so again, floor-to-ceiling windows, nice sized room. There's room here. This is, I believe, is a double bed. Let me check. I think it's a double, but there's room definitely for a queen, even a king. So let's take a look over here. Let's go into the washroom. So what I like about the washroom is that it's like a walk-in, it's quite large, and what I really like is that here you have your washer and dryer. So it's kind of off-site, but it's also in the washroom, so it keeps it kind of, you know, very compact. This is a 4-piece washroom. We have our toilet, we have our sink, and again, we've got some marble counters on the sink. I like the size of the washroom. It's not like just a tiny little washroom. A lot of places, like especially the new condos, are very, very tiny. And I mean new, like the ones that are built like in the last year or so. They're so small. I don't know how they actually put such a tight floor plan, you know. Some of them are like 525 square feet for a 1-bedroom, and here we have 641. It's a nice space. You know, ideally, a couple, like right now we have a couple that live here. It's great for a couple, it's great for a single person. You know, it might even be a pied-à-terre for someone who has a place out in the country and they want a place in the city. They don't want to be right downtown. Although you can get downtown so quickly on the subway, like you're downtown, you've got about, I don't know, 5 stops and then you're downtown. Bloor Street is like what, 3 stops from here? So it's really a great location. There's also another outdoor space where there's barbecues, lots of tables and chairs. You can just hang out there with your friends, your family. You can have a little party out there. Although you have to be careful with social distancing right now. Make sure you're wearing your masks. Absolutely a must. Namrata's staying 6 feet from me right now, but she always does anyways. No, she doesn't.
We have Ilyas on.
Who's on?
People are joining in, and we have Ilyas on.
Oh, great. Hi, welcome. We're at 2191 Yonge Street, unit 1906. We're in the Quantum 2 by Minto. My name is Kimay Miles. I'm with Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm here to show you this beautiful unit. Let's see the kitchen. I like the kitchen. It's a galley kitchen, but it's still open, right? You have a breakfast bar in the kitchen, granite counters, nice black appliances. You know, black appliances are kind of nice. They're like slick. You know, I always say that, you know, in interior design, to have elements of black really grounds a space. So that's why like a TV, and even like any kind of furnishing, like a little bit element of black grounds a space. So we're grounding the space with the appliances. I like when you enter into this unit, that you're not stepping right into the unit, you actually walk in from a side entrance. So let's go over there. So here, I'm walking in. And there's only one other unit across the hall, so it's not like we're kind of in a separate alcove of the building, so of the layout of the floor plan. So there's like one unit across the hall, and that's it. So it's not quite a corner, but it feels like a corner. So you walk in, and then if you reverse with me, there you go, now I'm in the kitchen. So when you walk in, you see the kitchen. So you know, if you're coming up and you bring your groceries, you put them down, you're right in your kitchen. You don't have to worry about running around anywhere. Granite counters. Yeah. Hardwood floors. Yonge and Eglinton. Once again, I'm Kimay Miles, Sotheby's International Realty. I'm here at 2191 Yonge Street, unit 1906. We're listed at $596,000, and we have no offer date. You know, offers are any time. It's a great unit. It's really great. This is a great, you know, if you want to get into the market and live in a really good building, well-managed building, a nice diverse mix of people. I see people coming in with their dogs, you know, so if you have pets, they're okay to be here. They do have restrictions on the pets, so if you have a dog that weighs like, I don't know, 200 pounds or 150 pounds, that might be a problem. But usually when you have a condominium building with restrictions on pets, it means that it's either the number of pets or it's the weight of the pet, or it could be both. Generally speaking, 2 pets is usually fine. And all this information is found in the status certificate. So the status certificate is when you purchase a condominium, you are going to be receiving a document that the seller will get for you or for your agent. That is, it talks about the financial health of the building. It talks about the rules and regulations of the building. It's really like an overview, although sometimes they can be 300 pages. So you've got the declaration, which is put out by the actual builder regarding the building and what the specifics are around the building. You want to look at the financials, you want to look at the budget, you want to look at make sure they have enough money in the reserve fund. These are all things that your lawyer would do. So when you're a purchaser and you purchase a condominium, you're going to have a condition on the status certificate, and the lawyer will review that. You know, this is a great first-time buyer's opportunity, I believe. You know, the interest rates are so low. I think like what, 1.70, 1.75 right now. So, you know, money is very cheap, and that's not going to change. And the maintenance fees are low. It's a great opportunity. And you're in an area of the city. And then really, you know, when you say the Minto buildings at Yonge and Eglinton, I love that, you know, there's a certain quality here that you don't see in other places. North of Eglinton, there's a lot of congestion at Redpath and Broadway, a lot of congestion here. These buildings are just south of Eglinton. on the east side, and they kind of stand apart. The other thing is there's a West Elm that just opened. Like West Elm is a fantastic furniture store. West Elm is just opened south of here. I also understand that Tironi, which is a really notable Toronto Italian eatery, just opened up at the post office location. There was a post office just north of Eglinton on Yonge Street on the west side. It's been converted into a condominium that's been attached to it, but there's a restaurant that just opened there owned by Tironi. So, you know, talk about dining, you can go anywhere here for dining. So it's just unbeatable location. You're not right downtown in the congestion of the city. So you're midtown Toronto. Once again, we're listed at $596,000. Maintenance fees are $395.67. They include everything but your hydro and your water, which is about $50 a month. Taxes $2,470. And I'm Kim A. Miles from Southings International Realty. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and please like my Facebook page. That would be great. I give lots of updates there on what's happening in the market and my new listings and just information so that people can be educated on real estate. So I want to say good night and thank you all for coming, and have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Hi everybody, it's Kim A. Miles, Southings International Realty. I know I just said goodbye to you after our sunset open house. The sun has now set, but I just wanted to show you, I'm out on the balcony, I just wanted to show you the beautiful view at nighttime. You know, you've got like a very, very open area, straight ahead, unobstructed. And then if you look down to my right, we've got Yonge and Eglinton with all the bright lights. I'm at 2191 Yonge Street, unit 1906. We're listed for $596,000. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you next time. 1 bedroom, 1 bath condo, listed for I've got the giggles. I'm nervous because we lost it, and now I've lost all my people. But hopefully, you guys are going to come back. Listed at 5.